Hola amigos, welcome to my another video. In this video we are going to learn profession's name in Spanish. Empezamos. So now we have first teacher. For male teacher we always use maestro and for female maestra. Doctor, doctor. Police, policía. Manager, gerente. Engineer, ingeniero. Accountant, contador. Firefighter, bombero. Driver, conductor. Cook, cocinero. Student, estudiante. Employee, empleado. Housewife, ama de casa. Lawyer, abogado. Now we have activity time. So here we have 5 images and you have to answer all the images and put your answer in the comment box. Gracias.